Come on in, come on again, my brothers and sisters. Welcome to another Bromo Sapien video, 3D printing at its best. I was going across the Reddit sites today and I came across this Ender 3 subreddit. Now, I've never used an Ender 3, but I have heard some of the interesting stories. Here's a post by a print dad who happened to take a 3-day vacation without his Ender 3 being supervised. He states, started a three day print before leaving for a 2.5-day trip. Came home to this. Wow. Wow, man. It's like Spider-Man has been in there spinning his web. Insane. Insane. There, look at that. Look at that. What is going on? Some interesting posts, some interesting comments here. Aaron Ash says a 3-day print on an original Ender is a ballsy move. Mobius then replies back, an unintended 3-day print on an Ender is wild. Any unintended print on an Ender is wild. Man, if you had an Ender, sound off. Let me know what your experiences were. You know, Bamboo Labs, it's such a great end-to-end user experience. I'm not promoted by Bamboo Labs, don't keep me wrong, but man, I had an old 3D printer, not an Ender 3, but I had an older one, and it was basically not useful at all, and eventually just gave up. It wasn't until the Bamboo Labs came along that I realized how user-friendly things have become. And yeah, you do get a failed print every now and then, but my goodness, things have changed. And you know what? Things are only getting better with 3D printing. So much new technology around the corner. Can't wait to get more involved. Can't wait to get my hands on some of these new printers. Well, I thought this was an interesting post. Kind of nice to see where we were, where we are, and where we're going. Keep your head up, keep pushing, keep your business running. That's all I have for you today. Bromo Sapien out. Like and subscribe if you can. I appreciate your support.